Domestication of bajra. Bajra is the most widely grown type of millet. The scientific name of bajra is Pennisetum glaucum. It belongs to the family Poaceae. The other names of bajra are pearl millet, cantil millet, cattail millet, and dark millet. It can be cultivated in low fertile, high temperature as well as in drought conditions. The genus Pennisetum includes about 140 species, and a few of them are Pennisetum glaucum, which is widely grown in India. Pennisetum annum is grown in South America. Pennisetum glossifolium is grown in Africa. Pennisetum orientale is grown in Asia as well as in Africa. Pennisetum glaucum is domesticated as cereal pearl millet. Pennisetum purpureum is grown for forage purpose. Pennisetum glaucum subspecies monody, found in the Sahelian region of Africa, is the progenitor of cultivated pearl millet. There are 4 morphologically distinct races of pearl millet, each with more or less distinct distribution. Race Typhoidus is the most widely distributed race. This occurs from Senegal to Ethiopia. This race is characterized by obovate caryopsis. Race Nigritarium has obovate caryopsis, that is angular in cross section. This race is native to eastern Sahel. Race Globosum is characterized by spherical caryopsis and is grown in eastern Sudan. Race Leonis has acute oblanceolate caryopsis. This race is dominant in southern Mauritania. The origin of pearl millet is Africa and was domesticated 4,500 years ago. Once domestication had occurred, pearl millet was quickly introduced throughout the drought-plagued regions of the Sahara. As the desert continued to expand, the distribution of pearl millet expanded proportionately. It was introduced through human migration and trade to semi-arid and tropical regions beyond the Sahara. Natural selection coupled with selection by man led to the wide morphological diversity in the crop today. Archaeological remains in the form of carbonized grains indicate that Pennisetum glaucum reached the west coast of India and Gujarat by 3000 BC. Over the next 5 centuries after being introduced, it spread throughout the country. India is said to be the largest producer of pearl millet. It is grown in all over India except Assam and parts of northeast India. Cultivation of pearl millet started in US in the 1850s and the crop was introduced into Brazil in the 1960s. The domestication process of pearl millet is associated with common morphological changes such as suppression of spikelet shedding, reduction in the size of bristles and bracts, increase in the size of spikelet pedicel length, loss of dormancy, reduction in number of basal tillers, and increase in the spike length. Bajra is the principal food crop across sub-Saharan Africa and northwestern India. In Africa, pearl millet is used to prepare porridge and also as an ingredient in flatbreads. In India, pearl millet flour is used to prepare rotis and the grains are popped like popcorns. The seed heads are roasted and eaten like vegetables. This is also used as malt for beer preparation. In Australia, pearl millet is used for preparing breads.